Hey hackers, let's take a look at the WeCreat Vision, the new tool in my shop. I'm gonna give you 10 different reasons. I was just told to make a really short video. So let's start talking about the things that I love about the machine, and I'm gonna talk to you about 3 areas for improvement. First of all, the correspondence that I have with this company, how the machine came, the packaging, everything was phenomenal, top shelf. It came in a perfect condition in a very, very timely manner. So the company is really solid. The big feature in this machine is the fact that it has auto lifting. This machine goes up and down to accommodate the rotary attachment, and it accommodates auto focusing. I've been looking for an integrated solution to do round stock rotary along with just traditional etching like I do with this bottle opener right here. So the next thing is it's portable. I have an upcoming video where I don't talk as fast, where I talk about how I'm doing mobile engraving at the Durham Art Craft Fair this spring, and I'm using this machine along with the aerofiltration to add engraving, custom engraving to all my different items. Okay, the software and the speed. It has a USB cable. It has Wi-Fi. It even connects through Lightburn, and it connects through its own proprietary software that it comes with the machine, or shall we say included. How quick it goes from your computer over to the laser is really, really fast. It has a really nice tray design for breadcrumbs that comes in and out. The Air Assist gives you the capability of having clean edges. It has that Air Assist pump. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. But it has that capability if you want to eliminate some of that charred look. Okay, as a camera, you can place your work, you can place your design right over the stock using the software. Number 8 is really important, and that's the safety. It has the ability to ventilate all of the stuff outside in a way using the filtration system, which is optional. It has the safety glass. Number 9 is rotary. I'm super excited about this. Not only does it have rotary, it has it that it's locked down, and the fact that it auto lifts, it goes above the rotary worked area. The autofocus, this thing autofocuses like a rock star. Just simply put in your material, go ahead, and it will lift up and down to autofocus it. Okay, in order to do a thorough review, we need to talk about those 3 areas of improvement. Yeah, I'm almost done. Possibly put the pump inside the system. I was thinking that, but maybe I don't want Air Assist, so forget that. Lightburn support, keep that going. The third thing is that I would say is, what about a swappable laser head so I could put a 500 watt in it? But the 20 watt does really well. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Bye.